Hey everyone, this is Guru, your Codex Devrel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the Codex CLI, which can help you install, run, and also interact with the Codex node in a matter of few minutes. So to get started, open up a new terminal and enter the command npx codex storage. And this should bring up a nice looking command line application in front of you. So you have 8 different options, but we'll go ahead with the first option, which is to download and install Codex. So hit the first option and this should prompt you with a privacy disclaimer, which says that your node information and also some of your network information are being logged by Codex for making your testnet experience better. So agree to the disclaimer if you accept it, and this should download the Codex binaries in a matter of few seconds. So once that's done, go back to the main menu and you can go to the second option, which is to run a Codex node locally. Hit the second option and this should ask you for your discovery port, which by default is 8090, and the listening port, which is 8070. Make sure both your listening port and discovery port are port forwarded and are open so that Codex can communicate with the other nodes in the network. So yes, now we have a Codex node up and running. Now let's open a new terminal. Make sure to keep the old terminal open and get a new terminal. This terminal can pretty much help you interact with the Codex node. And to do that, just hit the same command again, and this should bring you the menu. We'll be looking at the node status, which is option 3 right now. This should say that your node is online and discoverable based on the connected peers. So you can view the connected peers. We have 22 peers connected to the node right now, and you can also view your node information. Make sure to note down the node ID, which we will be using in the last part of this tutorial. But now let's go back to the main menu. And in the main menu, we have options like upload a file, download a file, and also you can see your local data. Now let's try uploading a file into Codex. You can either use this method where you go inside this option and enter the file path to upload the particular file. But now to make things interesting, let's go back. Let's go outside the terminal, and now the other way to upload files or download files from Codex is by using the flags. So to do this, you can hit npx codex storage with a flag upload and followed by the file path or the file name that you want to upload. In my case, the file name would be example.png, and this should upload the file into Codex. So now we have a CID, which is basically the content identifier for the file. So similarly, let's try downloading the file now. But before that, let me delete the file from my desktop, and now let me use the command npx codex storage with the flag download and the CID. So this should get my file downloaded, and it did. So this is basically the file that got downloaded, and it's as simple as that. So you can use the CID to download the image in the Codex Testnet, and it will be available for the next 2 days until the Codex testnet is resetted. So since Codex is in testnet right now, the files do not promise persistence, but this can be a great testing environment for you to understand how the Codex altruistic mode works. So that's pretty much about the CLI. You can also go to the Codex Storage CLI to find the list of local uploads that you have. And once you have the node installed, you can also go to app.codex.storage to use the graphical interface if you prefer that. Great job on completing all the steps. Now you can copy your node ID and go to the Discord community, and in the bot channel just run the command node followed by your node ID, and this should make you an altruistic mode node operator. You will have an altruistic mode role added to your profile once you run this command. But that's pretty much it from me today. I'll see you in a different tutorial, but until then, make sure to subscribe to the Codex channel. See you.